Hello everyone. I just want to do a quick overview of this KitchenAid FGA 2 meat grinder attachment. Now, this is something my wife purchased, so in fact I've never even used it. There's just a few pointers I wanted to make. I actually looked at some of the one-star reviews on this product and they mentioned the same thing. First off, this has been used once. I don't know if you can see, but this metal disc is already rusted. There's rust all over here, and literally this has been used once. This is completely ridiculous. And if you look online, there's others that are reporting metal shavings and all kinds of metal parts falling off of this. This really is, I mean, literally, this is one-time use. So just starting out the bat, just leaving everything else to the side. After one-time use, this thing is already rusting. This is completely unacceptable. This product's $32. It's an attachment for a larger device, but I mean, come on, can we not do better than this? Now, one other thing I wanted to point out, and this is actually related to the whole device, and that is the connector for adding on these attachments is a terrible design. Now, as I said, I've never even used this before, and my wife just showed me kind of what she was doing, but the way this plugs into the device is there's basically a little, I don't know if you can see, there's just a little hole there. So when you screw this in to the front of the device, this little pin goes into this hole and keeps this in place. And that's it. Literally. There's no proper attachment. I mean, this thing, there's force that goes through this. It's trying to spin, and I don't know if you can see, it's really small. But for example, my wife didn't push this in all the way, and she started screwing this in. And what it did is, instead of going into the hole, it went slightly to the side, causing this kind of pitting or hole in the wrong spot. And also, just due to this design, it's never in perfectly. It will always move a little bit. And just looking at this product, I was really disappointed by how this is designed. But I mean, like, you can make this so much better. Why is this little pin the only thing that, as you screw it in, holds in these attachments? This is terrible. It's just, that is not acceptable. So in other words, the device never fully sits in. It's always slightly moving. You can always slightly turn it. And obviously, if you put any more pressure on it, you can kind of start to destroy the metal. And then once again, as I said, if you don't insert it all 100% all the way in and you start screwing this in, you'll screw it right into the metal opposed to the hole. So this really should be changed. There are multiple different ways you can have this attached and actually have it be firmly on. But in the end, like I said, this really is a very light review. I'm not going to go into anything else, as I don't use this product. I'm not like I don't really cook or anything like that. But one-time use, it's rusted. It really doesn't stay in place perfectly. Constantly wobbles, vibrates, and then, like I say, if you're not careful, you're going to now damage the metal by screwing this in. And considering that the actual large device itself is fairly nice, it's really just a bit of a bummer that this is how the attachments are held on. I'm really disappointed. So if you're trying to buy this, expect rust within a day. Not recommended.